Hello class, Professor Cisneros here, and in this upcoming week, week 6 of the discussion board, we're going to be taking a look at human protections in India and China. Earlier today, I posted an announcement of assigning each of you one of those two countries, and that's going to be the country that you're going to be writing up this week. So what you're going to be doing in your post is a number of things. The first thing that you're going to be doing is you're going to be summarizing the human protections as they currently exist in the country that you've been assigned and compare those to existing ICH GCP guidelines. The second thing that you're going to be doing is then listing the gaps, whether they be more or less strict, to ICH GCP guidelines. And then the third thing, in your opinion, you're going to be discussing whether you feel that those protections that currently exist are adequate. And then finally, you're going to be discussing how moving closer to ICH GCP guidelines would do a better job of actually protecting those subjects. Now, in some cases, it's going some of those protections are stricter, and of course, in others, they're not as strict. But would moving it towards ICH, making it more strict, would it actually achieve a greater protection, or would it just be something that is not really necessary because the existing guidelines in those countries or in that country that you've been assigned is adequate? For greater detail, I would encourage you and ask that you go to the weekly summary of what is expected and look and to be sure that you have an understanding of what you need to do for this week. After you have completed your post, then what you're going to do is you're going to review and comment on one student who was assigned the same country that you were, and then two students who were assigned the opposing country. As always, list out your references, and if you have any questions, reach out to me via post questions to the professor, or you can email me directly, or you can text me or call me, whatever happens to work with you, or whatever works for you, and we'll get those. I'll get the question answered for you as quickly as I can. Otherwise, good luck, and I'll see you on the discussion board.